Hey Auto Good fam, welcome back. Today we're diving into a car that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy luxury, comfort, and modern technology. It's a sedan that blends affordability with premium features, and it's coming from one of China's most ambitious automakers. This is the Chery Arrizo 8, the budget-friendly luxury sedan that's raising eyebrows around the world. At first glance, the Arrizo 8 doesn't look like a budget car at all. Its design is sleek, modern, and refined, with a wide front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a coupe-like silhouette that gives it a sense of sophistication well beyond its price tag. Chery has clearly studied the competition from Europe, Japan, and Korea, but they've managed to give the Arrizo 8 its own personality. The proportions are balanced, the details are sharp, and it has the kind of curb appeal you'd expect from a car in a much higher price bracket. Step inside, and you'll immediately see where the budget luxury label comes from. The cabin is spacious, airy, and filled with features that would surprise anyone who thinks of Chery as just a value brand. High-quality materials are used throughout, from soft-touch surfaces to leather upholstery, giving the interior an upscale feel. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a wide, connected dual screen setup that combines a digital instrument cluster with a large infotainment system. It feels futuristic, intuitive, and definitely premium. The Arrizo 8 also comes loaded with features you might not expect in this class. We're talking about a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, a premium sound system, wireless charging, and even advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These are the kinds of features that make daily driving not only more comfortable but also safer and more convenient. Under the hood, the Arrizo 8 offers a choice of turbocharged engines, including a 1.5-liter and a 2.0-liter option. The larger engine produces up to 254 horsepower, which is plenty for confident highway driving and smooth acceleration around town. Power is sent through a dual-clutch transmission, giving the sedan a refined and responsive driving experience. While it's not a sports sedan by any means, the Arrizo 8 is designed to deliver a balance of comfort and capability, the kind of driving feel that appeals to families and professionals alike. Chery has also focused on ride comfort and noise insulation, making sure the Arrizo 8 feels calm and composed on long journeys. Combine that with generous rear seat legroom and a spacious trunk, and you have a sedan that's just as practical as it is stylish. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Chery Arrizo 8 is its price. Compared to rivals from Toyota, Hyundai, or Honda, this car comes in significantly cheaper, while still offering many of the same features or, in some cases, even more. It's this combination of affordability and luxury that makes the Arrizo 8 such an appealing option, especially for buyers in markets where value for money is everything. What the Arrizo 8 represents is more than just a single car. It shows how far Chinese automakers have come in recent years. Gone are the days of budget cars that cut corners to keep costs low. Today, brands like Chery are proving they can build vehicles that look great, feel premium, and deliver real value to the customer. So, what do you think? Could the Chery Arrizo 8 tempt you away from the established Japanese and Korean sedans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Auto Good for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. And hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.